So at the moment we're doing an aviation activity, and they're looking at simulations, flight simulations, and they're trying to fly different aeroplanes in the air, trying to land them and learn about the aerodynamics. I'm Sophie and I'm from Canberra. So YoWIE is Young Women in Engineering, a 3-day program designed to showcase a bunch of different types of engineering to these girls. They do lots of different workshops and get people interested and excited about studying engineering. So I did YoWIE in Year 10 and Year 11, so definitely in Year 10 I knew that I wanted to follow science and math related subjects, and then in Year 10 I obviously didn't really change my subjects but continued on with the ones that I currently had. There are definitely girls here though from Years 9 and 10 who will definitely help them pick their subjects in the next couple of years.